tie in with, occur at the same time. We're trying to tie our vacation in with Jimmy's business trip. The publication ties in with the 20th anniversary of the incident. Tail away becomes silent or inaudible. Her voice tailed away when she was speaking about what she'd done wrong. Siphon off, divert money illegally. Over the years, she siphoned off hundreds of thousands of dollars from various accounts. The minister had been siphoning off funds from his department for years. Suck up. Try to ingratiate yourself. He's always sucking up to the boss, telling him how wonderful he is. Stow away. Store something in a safe place. We stowed it away in the garage to keep it dry. I think I'll stow the camping equipment away in the basement until next summer. Stop back. Return somewhere. I'll stop back this afternoon when you're free. Startup. Open a business. Many small businesses started up in the 1980s to cater to this growing market. She wants to find an investor to fund her startup. Prattle on. Talk too much. Ben just prattle on instead of giving a straight answer. Poop out. Get too tired to do something. I just poop out if I stay up too late. I was going to write my essay, but I pooped out and went to bed instead. Plump for. Choose. Which film did you plump for in the end? Keel over. Fall to the ground. He finished the bottle, stood up to leave, and keeled over. The drunk keeled over when trying to leave the pub. Hunt out. Search until you find something. It took me ages to hunt out the photos. Hit out of. Respond angrily to criticism. The government hit out of at the media for their negativity. Hang together. Work together when things are difficult. We have to hang together if we are going to finish this project. Somehow her story doesn't quite hang together. Flame out. Fail. The company flamed out in the recession. The spectacular flame out of once high-flying internet stocks. Fess up. Give. Fess up your share of the bill.